Hi guys, welcome back to Just Jazzy. I'm so glad that you guys decided to join into my channel and watch my videos. I'm grateful for every one of you. I want to just talk to you guys while I'm making jewelry. I wanted to ask you, if you did not have to worry about a system with money or have to worry about bills or paying anything at all, you could just live freely, do what you want, what would you do? Would you still be doing the same thing you're doing now? If the answer is no, I want you to reflect on your life and reflect on the things that matter. I want you to think about the things that make you happy and what you wake up every day wanting to do. Consider going after that. Consider taking steps towards doing that full time. Because one thing I've noticed is at the end of the day, when it comes down to it, you want to be able to say that you lived your life and that you lived it to its fullest potential. I don't want to look down the road 20 years from now, 15 years from now, 30 years from now, and regret what I've done. I don't want to say that I have nothing to show for the years that I've been on this earth. And to me, working for someone else and, putting forth the energy and effort towards someone else's business and making them successful instead of going after what I enjoy doing and what I feel is pushing my success, that to me is just a life of regret, and I don't want to live that life. I'm sorry, but I don't want to work for someone else for the rest of my life and never have any kind of freedom or flexibility to do the things that I want to do in life. So I want you guys to really think about what it is that makes you happy and what you want to do. I don't care if it's a million other people doing that same thing. They don't have what you have to offer. See, the thing about individuality and creativity, not everyone has it. Not everyone can do what you do. Not everyone has a vision, and not everyone has a creative mind to be able to do the things that you do. So if you have creativity, if you have individuality, then you have the steps to be successful. Why not do what you love to do? No one said that life had to be hard and miserable and that you just have to go and work for someone for years and years and years and rely on a pension or rely on a 401k or, retire. No one said that this life has to be traditional. You have to really, really look at the things that you want to accomplish and do in this life. Stop going by what others have told you, or stop relying on what others think of you and think of how you should live your life. Go by what you want to do, what you think of your life. I love you guys. I want to see you do the best in your journey, and I want to see you guys succeed. So that's why I share the tips that I share. That's why I put these videos out, so that you can get inspiration and so that you can take the next steps in your career, in your journey. I myself am striving to live that life. I don't want to forever work for another person or be miserable in my life. I want to be happy. I want to wake up and do what I love. And what I love is making others feel beautiful, feel important, feel gorgeous, feel motivated. I love to see someone get my pieces or get my jewelry or be inspired by any video that I make. If they tell me that, oh my gosh, like you helped me do this and that and the third. If I can creatively push you out of the box, that's what I'm here for. I love to see people win. I just love genuine happiness. And I feel like I want that in my life as well. I can't sit here and tell you guys that I'm where I want to be in life right now at this very present moment. But what I can tell you is that I'm working toward that. What I can tell you is that I'm making the steps to do that. What I can say is that I'm not stopping. I'm pushing myself. I am being my own motivation. So you guys, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.